Stay Guru Nama children. Welcome to online class.
Exercise 7.1 Sum number 6. Name the type of quadrilateral, if any, by the following points and give reason for your answer. I am going to teach third subdivision. So what is the question is given? 4, 5, 7, 6, 4, 3, 1, 2. This is the coordinates. So from in this coordinate, we have to find out which type of quadrilateral. So I am going to take the diagram here. If you want to find out which type of quadrilateral means, first we have to find out four sides and two diagonals. So first I am going to take 4, 5 in naming for that one A coordinate. So A of 4, 5. Then B of next coordinate. You should take it in order 7, 6. Then C of 4, 3 and D of 1, 2. So I have to find out distance between four sides and two diagonals. Now I am going to find distance between AB. What is the A coordinate? A of 4, 5, B of 7, 6. If two points is given, we know that formula distance between two points AB equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. This is x1 y1 x2 y2 which is equal to square root of x2 is 7 minus x1 is 4 the whole square plus y2 is 6 minus y1 is 5 the whole square which is equal to square root of 7 minus 4 3 3 square plus 6 minus 5 1 1 square. The square root of 3 square is 9, 1 square is 1. Therefore, square root of 9 plus 1, 10. Next, I have to find out distance between BC. So, what is B coordinate? B of 7, 6 and C of 4, 3. Here I am going to take one line. Yeah. So, we have to find out distance between BC. BC equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. This is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. This is equal to square root of x2 is 4. 4 minus x1 is 7 the whole square plus y2 is 3 minus y1 is 6 the whole square, then square root of 4 minus 7 minus 3 square plus 3 minus 6 minus 3 the whole square. This is equal to square root of minus 3 square, that is equal to for 9. Here is also 9. 9 plus 9 square root of 18. So next I have to find out distance between DC. What is the D coordinate is given here? D coordinate D of 1, 2, C of 4, 3. We have to find out distance between DC. DC is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. Then square root of x2 is 4, 4 minus x1 is 1, the whole square, plus y2 is 3, minus y1 is 2, the whole square. This is equal to square root of 4 minus 1, 3, 3 square, plus 3 minus 2, 1, 1 square. And square root of 3 square is 9 and 1 square is 1. Suppose square root of 9 plus 1, square root of 10. Next I have to find out distance between AD. So what is the A coordinate is given here? A of 4 comma 5 and D of 1 comma 2. So distance formula, this is x1 y1 x2 y2 AD equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. This is equal to square root of x2 is 1 minus x1 is 4 the whole square plus y2 is 2 minus y1 is 5 the whole square, then square root of 1 minus 4 minus 3 the whole square plus 2 minus 5 minus 3 the whole square, then square root of minus 3 whole square 9 plus minus 3 the whole square 9. Therefore, square root of 9 plus 9 that is equal to for 18. Now, I got 4 sides distance. Then, one more we have to find out distance between diagonal AD, AC and BD also we have to find out. Therefore, distance between AC. So, what is the A coordinate? A of 4 comma 5 and C of 4 comma 3. And distance formula AC is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So this is equal to square root of x2 is 4 minus x1 is 4 the whole square plus y2 is 3 minus y1 is 5 the whole square, square root of 4 minus 4 0, 0 square is 0 only, plus 3 minus 5 minus 2 the whole square, then square root of minus 2 the whole square 4, 4 plus 0 4, but square root of 4 that is equal to 2. Next we have to find out distance between BD. So what is the B coordinate is given here? B of 7 comma 6 and D of 1 comma 2. We have to find out distance between BD. So BD is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. This is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. This is equal to square root of 1, x2 is 1 minus x1 is 7 the whole square plus y2 is 2 minus y1 is 6 the whole square, then square root of 7, 1 minus 7 minus 6 the whole square plus 2 minus 6 minus 4 the whole square, square root of 6 square minus 6 the whole square 36, then minus 4 the whole square that is equal to for 16. So square root of 36 plus 16 that is equal to for 52. Now we check. I got 4 side distance. AB distance is root 10. Then BC distance is root 18. Then DC distance is root 10. Then AD distance is root 80. So what the diagonal I got it AD, AC, sorry AC equal to distance of 2 units. And BD distance is root 52. So which type of quadrilateral for this one? Opposite sides are equal, diagonals are not equal. In quadrilateral, opposite sides are equal, diagonals are not equal. What special type of quadrilateral? This is called parallelogram. Opposites in parallelogram, opposite sides are equal, diagonals are not equal. So the given points are formed by quadrilateral by using special. Therefore, the given points formed by parallelogram. So you have to write which sides are equal, which diagonals are not equal. AB equal to DC, comma, then BC equal to AD. Opposite sides are equal. What's the diagonal? AC not equal to BD. Diagonal AC is not equal to diagonal BD. Therefore, the given points are formed parallelogram.
Exercise 7.1, question number 9. If Q of 0, 1 is equidistant from P of 5, minus 2 and R of x, 6, find the value of x and also find the distance QR and PR. So what the question is given, if Q of 0, 1 is equidistant. Equidistant means equal distance from 2 points. Which 2 points here? P and R. See the diagram. So Q of 0, 1. This is Q of 0, 1 is equidistant. This both distance are equal from 2 points. Which 2 points? P and R. P of 5, minus 3 and R of x, 6. So find the value of x. We have to find the value of x. So what condition is given? Equidistant. Equidistance means the distance between PQ is equal to QR. So QP equal to QR. It is given. So first I have to find out distance between PQ and distance between QR. So what is the Q coordinate? Q of 0, 1. P coordinate 5, minus 3. So if 2 points are given, what is the distance formula? QP equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square, which is equal to square root of, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So instead of x2 place you substitute 5. 5 minus x1 is 0 the whole square plus y2 is minus 3, here one minus, y1 is 1 the whole square, then square root of 5 minus 0, 5. So 5 square plus minus 3 minus 1, that is equal to minus 4. So minus 4 the whole square. Then square root of 5 square is 25 minus 4 the whole square 16. So plus 16. Therefore square root of 25 plus 16 41. Now I got distance between QP. Next I have to find out distance between QR. So QR distance formula x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. What is Q coordinate? Q of 0, comma 1. What is R coordinate? R of x, comma 6. X, comma 6. So this is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Now you substitute here square root of x2. What is x2 here? X minus x1 is 0, the whole square, plus y2 is 6 minus y1 is 1, the whole square, which is equal to square root of x minus 0, x. So x square plus 6 minus 1, 5. Here 5 square. So next step, what the condition is given? The equidistance QP is equal to QR. So QP equal to QR. So next I am going to, what is the distance of PQ? Square root of 41. Which is equal to, what is the distance of QR? Square root of x square plus 5 square is, that is equal to for 25. I want to remove the square root on both sides. That only I am going to take squaring on both sides. So next step. So if I am taking squaring on both sides, both square root will cancel. So 41 equal to x square plus 25. I have to find out x square. So 41 minus 25 equal to x square. So 41 minus 25, that is equal to for 16. 16 equal to x square. Therefore x is equal to plus or minus 4. Now I got x is equal to plus or minus 4 value. Then I ask one more question. Find the distance QR. So we have to find out distance between QR. So instead of x place, you have to substitute plus or minus 4. So Q of 0, comma 1. Then R of, I am going to take plus or minus 4, comma 6. So we have to find out distance between QR. Therefore, QR is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. This is equal to square root of, this is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. So you have to substitute instead of x2 places plus or minus 4 minus x1 places 0 the whole square. So plus y2 is 6 minus y1 places 1 the whole square. This is equal to square root of. So plus or minus 4 minus 0, you will get plus or minus 4 the whole square plus 6 minus 1, that is equal to for 5. A square is the 5 square. This is equal to, so if you are taking plus 4 square, that is equal to for 16, minus 4 the whole square, that is also 16. Therefore answer 16 plus 25. This is equal to square root of 41. So for the distance between QR equal to 41. Then one more question, we have to find out distance between PR. So what is the P coordinate? P of 5 comma minus 3, 5 comma minus 3, then R of plus or minus 4 comma 6. Here we have to find out distance between PR. First I am going to take A, x is equal to 4. Okay, if x is equal to 4 means how I am going to find out? P of 5 comma minus 3, then R of 4 comma 6. So this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. So we have to find out distance between PR if x is equal to 4. Then square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. This is equal to square root of x2 is 4 minus x1 is 5 the whole square plus y2 is 6 minus y1 is minus 3, minus of minus plus 3 the whole square. Next step, square root of 4 minus 5 that is equal to 4 minus 1 the whole square plus 6 plus 3 9, here 9 square. Then square root of minus 1 the whole square 1 plus 9 square is 81. So 1 plus 81 that is equal to for 82. Here square root of 82. Therefore distance between PR is equal to square root of 82 units. Next one, if x is equal to minus 4 means we have to find out distance between PR. So P of 5 comma minus 3 then R of minus 4 comma 6. We have to find out distance between PR. So PR equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. This is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. This is equal to square root of x2 is minus 4, here 1 minus x1 is 5 the whole square plus y2 is 6, a minus y1 is minus 3, minus of minus plus 3 the whole square, which is equal to square root of minus 4 minus 5 that is equal to for minus 9 square plus 6 plus 3 9, here is also 9 square, then square root of minus 9 the whole square 81 plus minus 9 the whole square that is also equal to for 81. So here 81 plus 81 that is 2 times of 81 is there. Then square root of, so what is the square root of 81? 9. 2 is unpaired, so as it is you take it. Therefore distance between PR is equal to 9 root 2 units. Next question, sum number 10. Find a relation between x and y such that the point x comma y is equidistant from the point 3 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 4. Here what question they ask? Find the relation between x and y such that x comma y is equidistant the 2 points. What is the 2 points? 3 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 4. We have to find out what is the relationship between x and y. Here I am going to take the diagram. So this is x comma y. So P of x comma y, then what is a coordinate? 3 comma 6. Here I am going to take a. Next another coordinate is b of minus 3 comma 4. So what condition is given? Is x comma y is equidistant. Both distance are equal. So what the relationship between x and y we have to find out. So condition, what condition? Equidistant. So PA equal to PB. This is given. So we have to find out distance between PA and distance between PP. Then we have to equating the both distance. So what is, I am going to find out PA distance. What is P coordinate? P of x comma y. Then what is A coordinate? 3 comma 6. Here I am going to take, this is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. I am going to find out distance between PA. If 2 points is given, what is the distance formula? Square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. This is equal to square root of x2 is 3 minus x1 is x the whole square plus y2 is 6 minus y1 is y the whole square. This is equal to square root of, so it is in the form of a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square identity a square plus b square minus 2ab. So here instead of a place is 3 is there, b place is x is there. So 3 square plus x square minus 2 3s are 6. 6 into x 6x. Plus here is also a minus b the whole square. So a square is 6 square plus y square minus 6 2s are 12, 12y. Next, what is the next condition? PB. So you have to find out distance between PB. So P of x comma y, then B of minus 3 comma 4. So here is also I am going to take, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So PB distance is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. This is equal to square root of x2 is minus 3 minus x1 is x the whole square plus y2 is 4 minus y1 is y the whole square. This is equal to square root of, in bracket, minus 3 minus x the whole square. If both term is minus, that means you can use the plus identity here. Here I am going to take a plus b the whole square identity. We know that one a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here 3 square plus x square plus 2ab. 2 3s are 6. 6x plus next one a minus b the whole square here. So 4 square plus y square minus 8y. So what the condition is, both are equidistant. Now I am going to equating this one, that is PA equal to PB. What is PA distance I got here? Square root of 3 square is 9 plus x square minus 6x plus 6 square is 36 plus y square then minus 12y equal to, what is PB distance? Then square root of 3 square is 9 x square plus 6x plus 4 square is 16 plus y square minus 8y. So I want to remove the square root on both sides. That way I am going to take squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So if I am taking squaring on both sides, both square root will cancel. What is the remaining here? 9 plus x square minus 6x plus 36 plus y square minus 12y equal to 9 plus x square plus 6x plus 16 plus y square minus 8y. Here I can cancel 9, 9. Then x square is both are equal sign, means equal is there, means you can cancel. Here is minus 6, here plus 6 I can't cancel. Next y square I can cancel. Here is 36, here is plus 36. So next step, minus 12y minus 8y, I can't cancel this also. So minus 6x plus 36 minus 12y. So what is the right hand side? The remaining terms 6x plus 16 minus 8. Everything I am taking this side. So minus 6x minus 16 minus 8y plus 8y equal to 0. Now I am going to take the collecting terms. Here minus 6x that is equal to for minus 12x. Next one minus 12y plus 8y that is equal to for minus 4y. Next here is plus 36, here is minus 16. That is equal to for plus 20 equal to 0. Now you check. So I can divide throughout the equation by 4 table. So I am going to divide 4, divide throughout this table. If I divide throughout by 4, I will get minus 3x minus y plus 5 equal to 0. So
I am going to change the sign throughout this equation. 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. This is the relation between x and y to the given points.